With all the powerful CAD software available today, many students wonder, why are we still taught engineering drawing using a sheet and a mechanical scale? Seems outdated, right? Well, not so fast. Hi and welcome to Upschool. In this video, I'll break down why learning engineering drawing by hand is still essential for every aspiring engineer. So let's get started. Before engineers can design anything, they need to think visually. Engineering drawing builds your spatial understanding, the ability to imagine and manipulate objects in your mind. Think of it this way: if you can sketch it, you can model it. Hand drawing forces you to understand how a 3D object translates into 2D views, which is the core of engineering communication. Using a mechanical scale trains your precision and patience. Unlike CAD, where computer corrects your mistakes, manual drawing forces you to be accurate right from the start. Even CAD won't save you if you don't understand correct dimensions and tolerances. A minor mistake in scale or alignment could ruin an entire project. Engineers in industries like aerospace, automotive, and manufacturing still review and approve hand-drawn technical sketches before sending them to production. In real-world engineering, you won't always have access to laptop or CAD software. Sometimes, all you have is a notepad and a mechanical scale. Being able to sketch a quick solution on site can save time and money. It's an essential skill that engineers use daily. Even in meetings, quick hand-drawn sketches communicate ideas better than just words. Ever tried using CAD without a solid understanding of drawing? It's frustrating. Manual drawing teaches you how to think through designs before jumping into software. It helps you plan better, make fewer mistakes, and work more efficiently. Top engineers don't rely only on CAD. They use hand-drawn sketches as a starting point. Companies still look for engineers who can understand and work with traditional engineering drawings. It's a valuable skill that sets you apart from the crowd. Even today, many engineering firms use hand-drawn sketches for concept development, patent drawings, and field work. So should you still learn engineering drawing by hand? Absolutely. It's not just about lines and scales, it's about thinking like an engineer, understanding designs deeply, and communicating ideas effectively. Try drawing this simple mechanical part by hand and then model it in CAD. Thanks for watching this video. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more engineering insights.